In this video, we'll cover polling basics. Whether you want to check for understanding or ask an icebreaker question, add some fun and interactivity to your meeting or webinar with poll questions. Note that Zoom supports advanced polling that allows more questions and additional question types such as matching, rank order, short answer, and long answer. Only hosts can create polls from within the Zoom web portal. Though you're able to create a poll during the meeting or webinar, prepare polls ahead of time if you aren't comfortable doing so while simultaneously running your event. To begin, navigate to the Meetings or Webinars page in your Zoom web portal and then click on the event's title. Scroll below the event details and click on the Polls tab. Click Create and give your poll a title by clicking on the words Untitled Poll at the top of the window. Next, type your first question in the question field. From the drop-down, choose whether you want the question to be single choice or multiple choice. The latter will populate checkboxes where users can select multiple correct answers. Type in up to 10 answer choices below the question. Click and drag the group of dots on the right side of the answer choice to rearrange it. Delete or duplicate the question by clicking the icons in the bottom right corner of the box. Stick with one question or click the Add Question text below. Hover over any draft question and click the pencil icon to edit it. Once you're finished writing your questions, you may optionally make the poll anonymous. This means the attendees' polling data is anonymous during the meeting or webinar and in any subsequent reports. If you'd like to choose this option, click the three dots next to the Save button and then check the Allow Participants to Answer Questions Anonymously box. Now click Save. The poll is ready to launch after the meeting or webinar begins. You can create a maximum of 50 polls for a single meeting or webinar. Though only the host can create polls, both hosts and co-hosts can launch polls during the event. Click the Polls icon in the main toolbar. From this menu, you can choose to edit the poll, which will bring you back to the web portal, launch the poll, and for webinars, allow panelists to vote on this poll alongside attendees. Note that hosts and co-hosts may not vote on polls in meetings or webinars. If you have created more than one poll, you can click on the drop-down menu at the top of the window to access others. Once launched, all of your questions in a poll will be displayed to all attendees, and they will be able to vote for their choices. The host sees the results come in real time, along with the timer to show how long the poll has been live, and the ongoing percentage of attendees who've participated. When you're ready to end the poll, click End Poll. The final poll results will be presented to you, and you can decide whether you'd like to share them with attendees. If so, click Share Results to display the percentages associated with each response, but not the total counts. When you're finished sharing, click Stop Sharing. You may relaunch any poll during the same meeting or webinar, but be aware that the previous results for that poll will be removed and replaced upon completion of the second launch. Zoom account admins can even generate reports of polling results after the meeting or webinar. Wasn't that easy? Create a poll to engage your audience today.